Probably one of the most worrying things when you're driving the car is to smell smoke or to see smoke. And in most cases, it's a good idea to pull the car over immediately and just investigate that cause. Smoke, they say there's no smoke without fire, and often smoke is a source of heat and potential combustion. And nipping it in the bud is certainly preferable than allowing the car to burn into a pile of ash and cinder. The question we need to answer in this video though is, what are the typical causes of smells, which are safe to ignore and which can indicate there is a major problem looming? And by nipping these problems early in the bud, we can often avoid much larger bills further down the line. If you can detect smoke, there is probably something burning or smouldering somewhere in the engine. Now, it can be the rubber belts rubbing, causing friction, building up heat, and they can give off a smoky smell. It could just be spilt oil somewhere in the engine, particularly if oil drips onto the exhaust. That can create smoke, and it's certainly something you need to look out for, because smoke often indicates the potential for fire. And that's a very serious problem in your car engine. So don't ignore smoke. You may also get smoke coming from the tyres, the wheel bearings, the brake area, somewhere along that side. That can be caused due to excessive friction. If the pads are maybe binding on, or if the bearings are on their way out, this buildup of heat can lead to smoking and smouldering. And that's going to eventually deform the metal components, leading to a very, very expensive repair. Also, the exhaust, if you notice different coloured smoke coming out of the exhaust, and I've done another video dealing specifically with the different colours of smoke from an exhaust, that can indicate you have other problems going on inside the engine that you really do need to jump on quickly and investigate to avoid that escalating into a larger problem. So thanks for watching. Please boot the like button. That really does help us to get out there. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, because we'd love you to stay tuned, and I've lined these videos up for you that you should find really interesting. Thanks for watching. See you in these next videos.